Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel Engineering All in One. So in this video we will see about the MCQs on sound. Now seeing question number 1, sound is produced due to friction, vibration, refraction, reflection. The correct option is option number second, vibration. Now question number second is sound passes from one place to another in form of waves, energy, light and rays. The correct option is option number 1, waves. Question number 3 is speed of sound is least in air, liquid, vacuum or solid. Speed of sound is least in air. Now question number 4. Sound waves have amplitude, frequency, wavelength, all of these. The correct option is option number D, all of these. Sound wave has both amplitude, frequency as well as wavelength. Now question number 4 is compressions are formed where air pressure is higher, lower, normal and none. The correct option is option number first, higher. Compressions are formed where air pressure is higher. Question number 5 is sound waves include troughs and crests, compressions and rarefactions, troughs and rarefactions and none. The correct option is option number second, compressions and rarefactions. Now question number 6 is rarefactions are formed where air pressure is higher, lower, normal and zero. The correct option is option number second, lower. While compressions are formed where air pressure is higher. Now question number 7. Sound waves can pass through vacuum, air only, air and other states of matter and none. The correct option is option number C, air and other states of matter. One more question, question number 7. Speed of sound is greatest in air, liquid, solid, vacuum. Speed of sound is greatest in solid. Question number 7. Distance between the two consecutive compressions and rarefactions is termed as frequency, amplitude, wavelength, wave point. The correct option is option number C, wavelength. Sound can be transmitted through medium which contains charge, has higher density than air, contains molecules that vibrate and none. The correct option is option number C, contains molecules that vibrate. Question number 12 is compressions and rarefactions are due to movement of air molecules, vibration of air molecules, variability of air pressure and none. The correct option is option number C, variability of air pressure. We saw in the previous MCQ that rarefactions are formed where air pressure is low, compressions are formed where air pressure is high. So the right option is option number C, variability. Due to the variability of air pressure, compressions and rarefactions are formed. Sound is a form of energy, transverse wave, longitudinal wave, none. The correct option is option number 1, sound is a form of energy. Question number 14. If the temperature increases, the speed of sound increases, decreases, remains same and none. The correct option is option number 1. If temperature increases, speed of sound also increases. Question number 15. Dash cannot travel through vacuum, wave, heat, sound, none. The correct option is option number C, sound. Sound cannot travel through vacuum, where its speed is least in air, greater in solid, greatest in solid. Now one more question, question number 16. Sound waves are dash waves, longitudinal waves, transverse waves, both and none. The correct option is option number 1, longitudinal waves. One more question, question number 17. Number of oscillations per second is called time period, hertz, frequency, none. Number of oscillations per second is called hertz. And remember one thing here, time period is equal to 1 divided by frequency. Sometimes we have given frequency, we have to calculate time period. Sometimes we have given time period, we have to calculate frequency. Now question number 18 is loudness of sound is measured in decibel, hertz, candela and coulomb. The correct option is option number 1, decibel. It is represented by dB. Now question number 19. Question number 19 is higher frequency gives high pitch, low pitch, medium pitch, none. The correct option is option number 1, higher pitch. And the question can be framed in other way. Which one of the like pitch of sound depends on? The option will be like frequency, wavelength, something, etc., amplitude. The correct option is option number 1. So two MCQs are here. Higher frequency, higher pitch, and also pitch depends upon the frequency. Now question number 20. Higher amplitude gives dash sound. Smaller, higher, unchanged, none. Higher sound. Here it talks about amplitude, and in the previous case we were talking about frequency. In that case we were talking about pitch. Now question number 21. Frequency range of audible sound is 40 to 40,000 hertz, 40 to 20 to 20,000 hertz, both, and none. The correct option is option number second, 20 to 20,000 hertz. Now question number 22. Human ear has dash parts 1, 2, 3 and 4. The correct option is option number C, 3 parts. Question number 25. Speed of sound in water is 1500, 1200, 100 meters per second. All are in meters per second. Remember this. The correct option is option number 1. It is nearly 1500 meters per second. One more thing to remember is speed of sound in air in typical conditions is 343 meters per second. Sound cannot travel through vacuum. Its speed is lesser in air and fastest in solid. Now question number 26. Sounds can be heard by whales, rancors, elephant, and all the above. The correct option is option number D. Sorry if I could not pronounce this more correctly. Question number 27. Bats can hear ultrasonic waves. N is missing here. Ultrasonic waves is here. ULTRA, ultra, SONIC, sonic waves. Radio waves, electromagnetic waves, none. Bats can hear ultrasonic waves. Question number 28. Voice box or larynx of human process wind, sound, loudness, none. The correct option is option number second, sound. Now question number 29. Correct statement is about the sound. The following three statements are given and we have to identify which statement is correct. Sound is produced by vibration. Sound requires medium for propagation. Sound travels slower than light. All of these. The correct option is option number D, all of these. Sound is produced by vibration, requires medium for propagation, travels slower than speed. Also we have to remember, as already I spoke to you, time period is equal to 1 divided by frequency. Question number 30. Ultrasound has a frequency of vibration 20 to 20,000 hertz, greater than 20,000 hertz, less than 20,000 hertz, and none. The correct option is option number second, 20,000 hertz. I have tried my best. Still, if you feel any kind of mistake, please comment. Also, I request to you, please subscribe the channel. Thanks. Stay blessed. God bless you.